This 2026 Grand Design Momentum 27 MAV is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Rockwall, Texas, 75087 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Rockwall. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 32 feet 2 inches in length and features sleeps 11 and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bunk over cab, front dinette, front entertainment, front living area, mid-bath, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Grand Design Momentum 27 MAV is 12,580 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.